Hey, I wanted to make a quick video unboxing my new PCIe postcard kit here. As a disclaimer, this was sent to me as a gift by the manufacturer, but I'm just going to be opening it up right now, kind of giving a brief overview of it, and we'll go from there. So first, it comes with this electrostatic strap. So basically you wear this on your wrist, this metal contacts your skin, you clip this metal to some other metal surface, and it kind of just discharges you. You leave that on while you work on the computer so that you don't build up static and destroy any of your sensitive components. Always good to have if you work on computers at all. Everything else is inside this nice plastic case. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. So first you get a USB to micro. I can never remember the new minis and micros, but to that one. You get a cable of the same type. And then here is your main actual card. So this is the power cord, because this can actually use Bluetooth and use an app, which I will show in a little bit here in the video. But yeah, that's the main card, built-in power cord, which just plugs into a 5-volt USB. Then if we take a look under the foam, we will have various cords and adapters. So here's a USB-C adapter, cords, and then you get different adapters. This will actually work through USB, PCI, PCIe, LPC, M.2, mSATA, mini PCIe, or EC. So there's adapters so to work with all of those options depending on your needs. The easiest one, if you have a USB slot available, is definitely the USB. And I will show you that process right now. Okay, so to test using the USB, first you want to get the app, so just follow their instructions for getting the app. And then you're going to plug in the attached cord to a power source, which I'll do right here. And then you should see this little blue light. Might be hard to see. Let me turn my camera light off. There we go. So you see that little blue light blinking. That means that it's waiting to pair with Bluetooth, which I have already done. But once it's paired, you actually have to hit this top right button and then pick the thing that it is, which this one is this here, the BT10. So now that that's connected, we will take the USB cable that came with it, and we're going to hook this right into that port and put the other end into the computer, which I'm just using this old laptop here. You don't really need to see what you do on the computer. You know how to turn that on, I assume, if you're fixing them. Let's see if I can get it to focus on the app again. Okay, now that it's plugged into the computer, now that it's plugged in, I'll just turn the computer on, and you'll see it'll automatically start the diagnosis. You'll see the progress. Doesn't take too long to do, but this is actually checking all the systems for you. And there we go. So it says everything is okay. So that means, and then it gives you more steps, but since I know this computer's actually working, it's just telling me it's okay, but it's saying that if the computer is still blank, you can try these other things. And it gives you a bunch of information on kind of how to keep going beyond this. So it's very useful for anyone who does computer repairs, and I definitely would recommend picking one of these up. This is one of the best things I've ever used for trying to diagnose computers, especially this app. And then William with the company is actually extremely helpful, and he'll be more than happy to help you out if you get stuck with anything. But definitely recommend picking one of these up. If you would like to pick one of these up for yourself, you can do that through the product link in this video's description. If you do, I will earn a small commission since it will be an affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching and have a fantastic day.